In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your own eSignature app with no code and code. We're going to walk through the full process in a simple, practical way so you can understand how all the pieces fit together. The goal here is to create an app that lets users upload documents, send them out for signature, track progress, and access signed files later. To begin, choose a no-code platform that fits your needs. Popular options include Bubble, Glide, Softer, and AppSheet. Each one has a slightly different approach, but they all help you build an app interface and connect workflows without starting from scratch. If you want more flexibility, you can later extend the app with code or API connections. Next, create the user interface. This is the part your users will actually see and interact with, so keep it clean and easy to navigate. You'll want pages for user registration and login, a document upload area, a section to manage signature requests, and a history page where users can review signed documents. Think of this as building the front door and the main rooms of your app before adding the logic behind them. After that, set up your data storage. You'll need databases or tables to hold user information, uploaded documents, signature requests, and signing status. Organizing this properly from the start makes the app much easier to manage later. It also helps you keep document activity traceable, which is especially important in signing workflows. Now integrate an eSignature service. You can connect tools such as DocuSign, Dropbox Sign, or PandaDoc using built-in integrations or APIs, depending on your platform. This step is what gives your app its actual signing capability. In other words, your app becomes the control center, while the eSignature service handles the secure signing process itself. Once that's connected, build the signature workflow. Start with document upload, then allow the user to select one or more signers. From there, send the signature request, track the status of the document, and make sure the completed document is returned and stored properly. This workflow is the heart of the app, so it should feel smooth from beginning to end. Next, configure notifications. Set up automated emails for signature requests, reminders, and completion confirmations. These messages keep everyone informed and help reduce delays, especially when documents are time-sensitive. Before launching, test the application carefully. Upload sample documents, go through the full signing process, and confirm that everything works as expected. Pay close attention to status